Today we there with?
One and only Lexus boss, not change in the building.
Not change. Out of Beanie Man and vybz Kartel, who is the real king of dancehall?
Right now, would I say a vybz Kartel, you know, because vybz Kartel do whole heap over the years, you know. We not take nothing from Beanie Man still, you know, but a vybz Kartel are the man right now. For gold and silver in a prison, yeah man. And fair run dancehall from prison, yeah man, a vybz Kartel time.
So like how you have a king, who you believe is the prince of dancehall?
Would I say the prince of dancehall, you know. To not be biased, but that's why right now Alkaline to be prince of dancehall. Because Alkaline up there. Alkaline have whole heap of catalog. Alkaline have whole heap of achievement. Him have whole heap of billboard hits. So would say yeah. That's why I say Alkaline.
Alright, you have a favorite artist?
I love every artist still, you know. That's what I say. But if you say favorite artist, no. If you ask me if I have a favorite song.
And what's your favorite song?
Well, my favorite song right now, you know, is by Valiant, you know, Passenger Princess, you know.
That's a good song.
I remember me and Valiant and a friend. So it's a honest. You know what I mean? I be honest. Passenger Princess and me love Big Guns by Movado.
Them are two good songs.
Yeah man, hot song.
So which young artist you feel like I can run the place?
Right now, I have to be my artist, Cube. When I dance, I look out for him. Him can run the place. Remember, so we give them the place to run, you know. And Kartel come and take it back from them, you know. So we are give Cube the chance right now from the Not Change camp to come run the place.
Anybody you like to big up?
Yeah, when I want to big up the whole Jamaica, you understand, one Spain town. That's what I say. Big up my clothing store in a Portmore, Not Change kicks and accessories. So people, you want the bad sneakers, you want the bad shoes, you want the bad pants, the bad shirt, come over Angway Mall. It's shop 29, Angway Mall, Portmore. You see me? Can't miss it. Not Change kicks. And also, big up the man right here, so where you interview me. Big up Cuba as well, big up the whole Not Change. You see me? Big up half a tree. Oh, I have to big up my wife too, and my kids them, that's it.
Big up yourself, don't drop and dig up yourself. Don't go take coke and fig up your health. Don't make no man lift up your belt. If you drop the shop, pick up yourself.
No time.
Alright, me G. Yeah.